Hi everyone, welcome back to Urge Technology channel. Today, I'll walk you through installing and configuring an NTP server on Red Hat 10, and then configuring an NTP client to sync time from the server. Let's begin. Follow along step by step. The prerequisites is you need one Red Hat version 10 machine as an NTP server, and one Linux machine as an NTP client. First, log in or SSH into your prepared Red Hat 10 NTP server. In step 2, install Chrony. Install the Chrony package using the dnf command. dnf install-y Chrony. In step 3, enable Chrony service. After successfully installed Chrony package, enable the service so it starts automatically after reboot. Step 4, check service status. Verify that the Chrony service is running by using command systemctl status chrony-d. Step 5. Configure Chrony. Now we configure the Chrony settings by using command nano/etc chrony.conf. Then add NTP pools that are nearest to your time zone and allow client networks or IP addresses that can access this NTP server. After successfully configured the Chrony configuration file, restart the Chrony service to apply the changes by using command systemctl restart chrony. Then check if service is running or not. In this step, configuring firewall. If the firewall is enabled, allow the NTP service permanently by using command firewall cmd-permanent-add service NTP firewall cmd-permanent-add port 123 UDP firewall cmd-reload. Now we will verify NTP server status. Check whether the NTP server is synchronizing time correctly by using command chronic tracking and chronic sources -v. This is the final step from NTP server side. Next, we go and configure NTP client. This step is configuring NTP from client side. First, log in to client machine and install Chrony, if it is not already installed, by using command sudo apt update and sudo apt install Chrony -y. At this step, we configure Chrony.conf from client side. Always take a backup before making changes by using command sudo copy etc chrony.conf to etc chrony.conf back, and edit the Chrony configuration file. Sudo nano etc chrony.conf and comment out the default NTP pools and add your local NTP server IP. At this step, restart Chrony on client server. Restart and enable the Chrony service by using command sudo systemctl restart Chrony and sudo systemctl enable Chrony. Now we verify if the client is synchronized with local NTP server by using command chronic sources -v. And if the output does not show an asterisk, check whether the client and server time zones are the same by using command time date ctl. If required, set the same time zone as the NTP server. Finally, verify. Once synchronized, the output will show an asterisk, which means the client is now synchronized with the local NTP server. Finally, you have successfully configured an NTP server on Red Hat 10 and synchronized a client using Chrony. Like, subscribe, and share Urge Technology channel for additional Linux and backup tutorials.